In this video, we are going to take a quick look at how to locate our evaluation if you are an agency field instructor in the social work program. I am logged in currently as an agency field instructor, and on the left-hand side, if I go to field experience, my students are going to show here. Miss Smith said it was okay to use her information as the demo today. So if I'm going to click on Miss Smith's binder, it's going to open up, and again, I am her agency field instructor, so it's going to open up with the student's information here on the left and the agency field instructor's information here on the right. And if I am the agency field instructor, the evaluation is going to be right here, which is BSW Field Evaluation of Student. And if I click on that link, it is going to take me straight to Miss Smith's evaluation. I go ahead and complete for the 9 competencies. Go ahead and do my check, enter information, and when I get to the bottom, hit save and close. The grade section here is a hard-coded entity inside TK20. There is no need to enter any information here, and anything you do put in the grade section inside TK20 will not carry over to Blackboard or impact the student's grade at all. Again, once you're finished, make sure you hit save and close, and you are finished completing the field evaluation. If you have any questions, please reach out to us here at the College of Public Service.